Hi guys, evening, hi, hello. Today I greet you in your language. How do I greet in our languages, guys? It's high time I practice and practice. I know I'm bad with languages, but I know I can do better. I can really do better. But anyways, I'm not here for that. Let me try to get to the point. How are you? You are fine? I hope you're fine. I'm fine too. Let's just open this. These are the forever social medias. Follow us on social media. There is Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, Twitter, and YouTube. So these are forever social medias. So if you wish, please do follow the company socials so that you keep updated with what's happening. Let's just get into it, guys. Let's open together. I am opening this and we see what exactly do you get. This opened and this is what I have here. Okay, these are just the bigger books. Look better and feel better. This is basically the product catalog. As it said, just put this one here. This is the product catalog. Just go through each and every one of them. This is the product catalog. I'm not sure if you can see. I hope it focuses, but I'm sure you can see, guys. This is the product catalog. It gives you all the options, understanding the products, read through, and all that catalog. And then here you get this amazing book, Your First Step to Manager. Guys, becoming a manager in Forever Living is actually a big thing. That's a very interesting level whereby Forever starts giving you the now to say you have worked so hard and now we are rewarding you. So the real amazing things started manager. That's why you have this book to guide you on exactly what to do in order to become a manager. And mind you, guys, becoming a manager, it can actually happen in 2, 3, 4, 6 months, 10 years or so, depending on how hard you're working. It doesn't have a duration of how long it takes, but your work will determine how long you will take. And you wouldn't want to take too long, hey? Because who doesn't want to drive? Forever to drive, for example, where that incentive only starts at manager level. And that, guess what? It's the third level in the Forever Marketing Plan. The first one is probably the one that you are starting with, the most recommended, which is assistant supervisor, right? And then once an assistant supervisor, as a new member like that, you become a supervisor, and then from supervisor, guess the next level, manager, darling. And that's where they are telling you in this book how to get to manager. It's so beautiful, guys. I am going to read this, and look, guys, everything explained. I'll try to just go through this one day with you guys. Just stay tuned, right? And we are here, and you like this video, right? Make sure you subscribe to this channel in this world, right? And then stay tuned for more videos like this. I'll keep you guys updated and obviously educate you on how to grow your business. The first step to manager. Amazing. All right, and here, before we got there, I think this is definitely, while I spoke about Forever to Drive is one of the incentives, right? There is more. Forever offers so much more, guys. There's so much more that you have to scoop away. That's if you're willing. I hope you are that person who also enjoys traveling like I do, who enjoys the benefits of getting rewarded for your own hard work. Not like in the normal companies where you work so hard, but guess who takes your credit? Your supervisor or your manager. Guys, is it really supposed to be like that? Is that what we like? But here at Forever does not give your credits to someone else. They reward you based on how hard you are really working. And this is just the incentives that we have, right? If you look at this, we have a global rally, And here they showed you how to qualify for it. Here we have global leadership team, how to qualify for it. Here we have chairman's bonus. I've seen people getting millions on chairman's bonus, guys. Millions of dollars. Tell me someone who got millions for working so hard or for making so much money for the company. But here at Forever, you get what you deserve, what you worked for. No, without capping your income. How amazing is that? Guys, we all want that. And this is just them showing you the levels that you can get, that you can go to. And definitely my favorite. If you are someone that wishes to drive their dream car with the Forever to Drive incentive, type in the comments below Forever to Drive 2024. That's the goal. Forever to Drive 2024. Because now we are setting these goals for 2024. Remember, we have just 2 months left for the year now, which is November, starting tomorrow, right? And then we have December. Guys, the time is now to land your seats. Guys, the time is now. Let's start 2024. We are going to harvest, and I want you to come harvest with me. I want to do this with you. The person who sent you this video want to do this with you, and that person believes in you, and you need to believe in yourself if you want to achieve all this. This is my favorite one. I'm going to read that. And these are just the forms. You also get forms that you are going to send to your first downliners. Okay, you get 2. Remember, I said when you are becoming a Forever member, it's actually for free. Okay, that's why you got 3 forms here for your first 2 new members. And then that person only has to budget to buy their first stock. And that's the amazing part of Forever. Here, they just showed you which products are perfect for which area. If you want for the brain, for example, brain or immune and respiratory, weight management, so on, guys. It's so much. I don't want to make the video too long. This is one where you get to understand and know your product. Now, here we have it. A good question, right? Why Forever? Type in the comments down below. Tell me, why Forever? Why are you here? Why are you watching this video? Tell me in the comments down below. Why Forever? Here at the back, there are just some of the options. You have your why, right? You have your why you are starting Forever. Are you that person that has been working for years, but maybe you cannot afford your own car, right? We have bigger families. We are the breadwinners in our families, right? That's why some of us, maybe you cannot afford your dream car, or you cannot afford to pay for a trip outside your country or even within your country. I don't know about your country where you are watching this from, but here in Namibia, traveling in-house, it's super expensive. And if you love traveling like I do, and you cannot afford, Forever is here to make your dream valid, to realize your dream. Forever can make you realize your dream, and if you are willing, this is the way to go. Now everything I took out, I have everything here. This is just this flyer for the alu gel. Guys, for most of us, right, we knew this bottle. By the time I got to know it, it was actually the plastic bottle that's something to hold. I'm sure most of you can relate. I'll try to maybe fit, well, I'll see if I can add that bottle that I'm referring to in the video. And guys, this bottle, I knew it ever since maybe I was 15 years, or no, 15, not 15, I think maybe 13 years, 13 or 12, 11 days. That's when I got to know Forever Living products. That's when I got to hear them on the radio. And growing up, my parents have been drinking this bottle, guys. And that's the power in the Forever Living products, because they have a good reputation in the health and wellness industry. Now, Forever says, we are not giving you this opportunity to throw you away. We have the business plan to follow. This is the business plan that we follow in Forever, right? And the company policies. Each and every company has their own policies, right? Here at Forever, we also have policies that we follow, and that is in this book. This is basically everything you need to succeed in Forever Living Products. Now, if you have watched this far, guys, I'm so proud of you. I see you at manager level next year. And if you are not a member yet, refer back to the person that referred you to this video, because the reason why you are here, it's because you are interested in that pack that you are looking at. What exactly do you get? And this is for you. I hope you found value in this video, guys. And if you did, please hit the subscription button and you will be getting more videos like this. From me to you, it's a goodbye, and I wish you all the very best in your Forever business. Ciao.